Roughing of hard materials is challenging as it impacts tool life and is a time-consuming process. In this video, we will showcase how ModuleWorks' adaptive roughing solution can greatly improve machining productivity and tool life. Major challenges faced during conventional offset roughing process are lower material removal rates (MRR), which increases machining cycle time, higher forces and varying tool load, especially in sharp corners, unavoidable full-width cuts. Since machines are subjected to inconsistent loads regularly during conventional roughing, higher depth of cuts, speeds and feeds cannot be applied, leading to underutilization of the machine tool. ModuleWorks' adaptive roughing technology is developed to counter these issues by offering the best high-speed roughing pattern which can adapt to any part geometry with ease. Adaptive roughing pattern keeps tool load and cutting conditions constant. High axial depth and low radial stepover provide constant chip load, allowing higher material removal rates. Adaptive pattern automatically generates smooth spiral and trochoidal motions, allowing higher accelerations. Adaptive roughing can be used for 2 to 5 axis milling as well as turning. Adaptive roughing supports both 2D and 2.5D wireframe geometries. 2D wireframe can be used as input geometry for the toolpath creation, and at the same time, wall draft can also be applied wherever needed. Provision to define fixture geometry makes it even more powerful. Adaptive roughing can be applied to 3-axis. High axial depth, in combination with intermediate cuts, allows us to rough 3D shapes, and at the same time, we can have uniform leftover stock after machining. With stock awareness support for holder collision checking and linking, adaptive roughing provides safer toolpaths. ModuleWorks also supports adaptive roughing pattern with multi-axis toolpath. Keeping the tool axis normal to the floor surface in multi-axis roughing, adaptive roughing can also be used to machine complex shapes and pockets with undercuts. Now we can have the benefits of high-speed roughing in turning as well. With the introduction of adaptive roughing, cycle times can be reduced by up to 60% using bidirectional turning. Bidirectional turning supports any tool insert shape and is not limited to round inserts. With all of these features, adaptive roughing offers the following benefits. Adaptive roughing offers the highest MRR amongst all the technologies available for roughing, improving productivity approximately 2 to 3 times. Constant cutting conditions result in improved tool life. Smooth spiral and trochoidal toolpath trajectories reduce tool load and machine wear. Works for any material and especially beneficial for harder alloys. ModuleWorks adaptive roughing provides a powerful roughing toolpath designed to improve machining productivity and reduce manufacturing costs.